Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to enter vibration settings on DOOGEE V40 Pro. Let's go! Okay guys, so you need to enter settings, then you scroll down a little bit to sound and vibration, you click it. Here you can choose all of these options here, for example like vibrate when connected, or always show icon when in vibration mode, charging sounds and vibration and other things. But what we do is go to Vibration Haptics. Here you have most of these settings are about vibration. Yes, if you want your phone to vibrate when you get notification or your alarm rings, or do you want to turn it all off, or on calls if you want to have when someone is ringing you, your phone will vibrate, for example, or vibrate first and ring gradually. For example, if someone calls you, your phone first start vibrating and then ringing. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.